Hi student, today we are going to start with our new topic surface area and volume. क्लास 9th में ऑलरेडी आपने सॉलिड फिगर्स के बारे में पढ़ रखा हुआ है. Obviously in this topic what we cover today it's having a relationship with our daily lives. हमारे ज़िंदगी में आसपास बहुत सारी ऐसे सॉलिड शेप्स मिलते हैं जो क्यूबिकल, क्यूबाई, इट्स अ क्यूबाइडल, इट्स अ क्यूब, कोन, हेमिस्फीयर, स्फीयर. बहुत सारे बच्चों के जो खिलौने होते हैं वो डिफरेंट शेप्स के होते हैं. अभी बात करते हैं जब हमने क्लास 9 में इट्स एक्चुअली वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस ऑल टॉपिक फ्रॉम दिस क्लासेस इन मेंसुरेशन फ्रॉम क्लास 6, 7, 8. नाउ एट द लेवल क्लास 10th के लेवल पे जो हमें सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम जिस टॉपिक में है वहाँ पे जो हमें नई चीज़ मिलेगी बेटा वो मिलेगी फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन. वो तो बाद की टॉपिक आएगी. पर आवर ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस विद यू, वो हमारी प्रॉब्लम जो होगी बेटा होगी वो बेस्ड होगी किस पे? कम्बाइनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड फिगर्स. हम एज ए 10th लेवल पे जो भी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करेंगे वो हमारी जो सॉलिड फिगर्स की होंगी. जैसे हमारे पास एक वी हैव कभी हमारे पास खिलौने होते हैं जहाँ पे कुछ शेप्स होते हैं जहाँ पे हमारे जो फिगर्स होते हैं वो कम्बाइनेशन होते हैं सॉलिड फिगर्स के. जैसे सपोज कि हमारे पास एक हेमिस्फीयर बाउल है, उस पर हमने कोन को माउंट कर दिया तो ये क्या बना? ये कम्बाइनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड फिगर है. मेडिसिन कैप्सूल हम खाते हैं, वो कैप्सूल का अगर आप शेप कैप्सूल की बात कर रहा हूँ, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट टैबलेट्स. कैप्सूल की बात कर रहा हूँ तो कैप्सूल क्या होती है? कैप्सूल की जो शेप होगी अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो वहाँ पे एक सिलेंडर होता है. सिलेंडर के दो एंड्स पे क्या होते हैं? हेमिस्फीयर माउंटेड होते हैं. तो कैसे हम डिफरेंट शेप्स में कैसे उनकी सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम की बात करेंगे. सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम बेसिक टर्म्स आप ये मान के चलता हूँ कि आपको बेसिक टर्म्स पता है. इस कमरे की बात करूँगा, इस कमरे के इस रूम की सरफेस एरिया की बात करते हैं हम. सरफेस एरिया क्या होगा? इसकी आउटर एरिया जो मेजरमेंट करेंगे बाहर से बाहर जो वाली हमारी क्या है बेटा वो सरफेस एरिया होगी. और इस रूम में ऑक्यूपाइड जो एयर है, जो एयर ऑक्यूपाइड है वो बताएगी. जो भी हम मेजरमेंट करेंगे तो वो क्या देगी? जो ऑक्यूपाइड स्पेसेस इस पूरे इंटरनल इस रूम के इंटरनल एरिया में वो हमारी क्या होगी? इट्स गिव्स अ ऑक्यूपाइड स्पेस गिव्स अ वॉल्यूम देयर. एंड व्हेन वी आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद आवर न्यू टॉपिक, देन आई एम गोइंग टू रिकॉल यू अगेन द ऑल formulas there, our solid shapes which we need there. For example, I will start with look, I am drawing a figure there. And look, what is this? This is our figure of, look, it's our cuboid. This is our cuboid. Suppose it's our we take a height there, this is our breadth and this is our length. Then you can also see that for example this is our duster. Look, this is our duster. It's in the shape of a cuboidal shape. When we are just going to be talk about its area, when we are going to talk about this area, I am consider this portion and this portion, this and this. Just suppose if I have a room and I'm just going to find out the area of these four walls, means it gives a what? Lateral surface area of this room. This gives a lateral surface area of this room. When I'm going to add the area of floor and our top, our then our floor and then our top of the room, this, then what do we get? We get the total surface area of this. Means when we are going to include with our floor and ceiling, then area of floor and ceiling, then we get the total surface area of this room. So look, we have here, we start with our first, I am just going to write down at the place of lateral surface area LSA and CSA. CSA comes from curved surface area. What is our curved surface area? When our solid figure is in curves like a cone, cylinder, then it's a CSA. We are going to get out it's CSA there. But when we have any room, a shape of room, occupied or cube, then we are called it's a lateral surface area. Then what is our lateral surface area of this? Lateral surface area means when we are going to get its lateral surface area, then what do we do? We are just going to find its means we are going to find out the just means we are going to find out the its what? Area of four walls. We are just going to find out the area of four walls, and then we are going to find out total surface area. when we are going to include with our this area of ceiling and area of floor. Lateral surface area of cuboid is also you can mention it. Its meaning of area of our four walls. How can we get the area of our four walls? In our four walls, let's suppose it's a board is what, then it's we consider an area of this length and breadth there, but it's our 3D figure. Then when we are going to multiply with our perimeter to the out, what is our perimeter? 2L plus B multiply with height, then we get the lateral surface area of cuboid. What is the total surface area? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then its faces L into B. First face is L into B. Then look, we have a face also B into H, H into L. Then we have a it's come LB 2 times LB 2 times comes out BH 2 times again 2 times comes out our HL there. Then our total surface area is what given by 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. And what's about volume of cuboid? Volume of our cuboid is what? L into B into H. L into B into H. Lateral surface area of cuboid is what? 2 times L plus B into H. Total surface area of cube is what? It's a 2LB plus BH plus HL. And our volume of cuboid is what? L into B into H. Now next figure is what? Our next figure is what? It's a cube. What is? It's a cube. What is our cube? Our cube is a special cuboid. Its length, breadth and height are equal. What is our cube? Cube is our special cuboid which having length, breadth and height are equal there. Now look, when we are going to find out the cube there, then what is lateral surface area of cube, what is total surface area of cube, and what is volume of cube. Before I am going to then here one of the formula you remember that when we are going to put any rod there, length of we are on to put the maximum length of the rod there. Then to get in this cuboid, we are going to find out put from this diagonal to this diagonal. Then we can also find out here the diagonal of cuboid. How can we get diagonal of cuboid? To get diagonal of cuboid, learn this formula also there. It's given by under root L square plus B square plus X square. L square plus B square plus H square means square of length, add the square of length, square of breadth and square of height. Now we are considering about our cube portion. Look, the lateral surface area cube. In the cube, in our cube, we don't have this figure there now. Look, when this is our cube, in the case of cube, our length, breadth and height, all three dimensions are equal there. Then what we do? Look, we are going to put, let's suppose it's our represented by A. Represented by A. Then to get the lateral surface area of, if we have it's our cuboid, put the here A, then we had A plus A, 2A into 2, 4A, this is also A, into A, 4A square, means our lateral surface area of cube is what? Yes, it's a 4A square. In similar manner, our total surface area of this cube, how can we change this cube? Look, here is A, all thing is A into A square plus A square plus A square, 3A square into 2. Yes, we get what? 6A square. The total surface area of cube is given by, it's our 6A square. Now volume of cube, A into A means, yes, we get what we get? We get A cube. The volume of our cuboid is given by, it's A cube. And then last, if we want to find out the diagonal of cube, sorry, we have to be correct here. It's not cuboid now, it's our cube here. Volume of cube, A cube, and then volume of diagonal of cube is given by A square plus A square plus A square, means square root of 3a square. Also we can write down it's a root 3. The diagonal of cube is what? Given by side into root 3. Now till now we have discussed our formula with our formula is what? Lateral surface area of cuboid, lateral surface area of cube, then volume of cuboid and volume of cube, and also we have discussed about our diagonal of cuboid and cube. Now we are moved to with our next figures. We have discussed about cube, then cuboid. Now what is this? Yes, this is our cylinder. So suppose having radius small r and its height is given by h. Now we are on the board. We have a cylinder there is having radius r and what is its height is what? Cylinder. Now we are going to talk about just suppose we are going to take we have one of the water bottle there. Then look up, don't say about the cap. Then it's look like a, suppose that's from here. Then we are going to cut this portion. Then we have it's a cylinder. When we are going to find out the curved surface area, now it's a curve. Then what is our curved surface area? This is our the whole surface area is our curved surface area. And when we are going to find out its total surface area, then we have to be at this. What we have to add? We have to be at this area of this portion as well as area of the upper portion. Then we are going to find out the total surface area of cylinder. Then look up. What is here from here? CSA means it's our curved surface area. And just write down CSA, but you have to write down curved surface area to completely there. What is CSA? It's when we are going to talking about this, then it's like a circle there formation. Then it's what is the circumference of circle? 2 pi r, and multiply with this height 2 pi r into h. Then we get it's a curved surface area. To get total surface area. To get total surface area, what we do? We are going to add the area of the lower portion and the upper portion of what is the area of this portion? Yes, it is our pi r square. Then we have to be in 2 pi r h, pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. Then what we get? We get our area is what? 2 pi r, taking 2 pi r common there. H plus R means our CSA is what? Our CSA is what? CSA of cylinder is what? 2 pi RS. TSA of cylinder is what? 2 pi RS plus 2 pi R square. And we take common 2 pi R. Then we have 2 pi R in bracket H plus R. We have discussed our CSA of cylinder. We have discussed our TSA of cylinder. Now what is volume? Volume of cylinder is given by, to get volume, what is volume? Volume is given by base into height. Also we can find out our volume is what? By base into height. What is our base in this figure? Base is our, it's a circular base, then its area is what? Pi r square, height is h, pi r square h. Then we have a CSA of cylinder, TSA of cylinder, and also we have a volume cylinder. CSA of cylinder is given by 2 pi rs, and then TSA of cylinder is given by 2 pi rs plus 2 pi r square. Then lastly, volume cylinder is given by pi r square h. Now we are going to be discussing with our new step here. Now next figure is what? Yes, it's look like a birthday cap, or it's a face. The cap weird by Turkish is also having like a shape of cone there. This is our birthday cap. Now, what is it called? It's called our cone. Now look. This is our height of cone. This is our radius of cone, and this length जो हमारी तिरछी रेखा है, जो तिरछी लाइन है, what is called? It's called slant height. Now look, in cone we have two height there. This is from O to A. It's a height of cone, and the portion AB, the line segment AB is our what? It's our slant height denoted by small l. Now look, L. This is a right angle triangle. Then our small l. Our L is what? How can we find out this value L? By using Pythagoras, we can find out the value of L by x square plus r square. X square plus r square. Now, CSA of cone. What is our CSA of cone? It's a pi r L. It's given by pi into radius into slant height. What is our TSA? When we are going to add in this curved surface portion, the area of this base portion, which is our pi r square, and TSA is given by pi r L plus pi r square, pi r plus pi r square. Then volume, experimentally the volume of cone is what? It's a 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Then 1/3 pi r square h, if we have the same radius and same height according to them. And now the volume of our cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. Now we have discussed our next figure. It's a what? It's a cone. In cone, what do we see? It's having a radius, then height, and then a slant height. Now, what is our CSA of cone? It's a pi r l. What is our TSA of cone? Pi r plus pi r square. And then what is our volume of cone? It's a 1/3 pi r square h. It's a 1/3 pi r square h. Now, we have discussed about what? Till now we have discussed four solid figures: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone. Now we have moved with a this is our solid figure having the radius r. This is our what? This is our sphere. Sphere, just like a football shape ball, and then ball. What is football and ball? It's both are formed a sphere there. Now, look, in sphere we have only it's a curved surface area, total surface area. Both are same there. It's we are just its area is also it's having a CSA is same CSA, and thus we are going to find out its CSA. The CSA of a sphere is what? It's given by 4 pi r square. There is only surface area there. You call it it's a curved surface area. There is not any terms of TSA there. Curved surface area of a sphere. What is given by 4 pi r square? Volume of a sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cube, where our r is what? Radius of sphere. Now here what we have discussed? We discussed our sphere having a CSA, curved surface area of sphere is given by 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cube. But look, this is our sphere. Our next figure is what? Hemisphere. When this sphere is intersected by a plane, then what do we have? We have a hemisphere there. So suppose now we are going to discuss with the now this is our hemisphere having radius r. Now CSA of here we have CSA and as well as TSA there. Then volume CSA of this is half of the sphere. Then CSA of hemisphere is given by half of. Then here we have CSA of hemisphere is what? Given by 2 pi r square. Volume of hemisphere is given by half of the sphere, 2 by 3 pi r square. But here we have also a TSA. Then TSA of hemisphere, curved surface area of this hemisphere plus this area, this base area. Then what is our TSA of hemisphere? 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Then what is we get? 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Now look, we have discussed our figure. It's a what? It's our hemisphere in which our CSA is what given by 2 pi r square. Our volume is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube, and our TSA is what given by 3 pi r square. Now we have discussed our basics, terms and formula. Again, I am going to recall you all these things. Now let's we are going to start with some problems. Look, what do we discuss this problem from at the level class 10? All the problems mostly combined with combined solid figures there. Then now we start with one of the basic problem with. Here is given that two cubes each of age 4 cm are joined in to in. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Now it's given there. We have two cubes there. This is of first cube, and also then in which also added one of the again cube they added there. Then they added another cube there. In this cube, there is added another cube. Now, two cubes are combined together. Then now when we are added two cube, then it's form a cuboid. It's form a cuboid. Now two cubes each of size age 4 cm. When it's a cube, then its age is what? It's from here to here 4, and from here it's also 4 there. This is our 4. This is 4, and again from here to here this is our 4, and height is our 4. Now look, when two cubes are combined to each other, then it's form a combined figure of cuboid. In cuboid, what do we see? Our length is what? 4 plus 4, 8 cm. There is no change in breadth. It's a 4 cm. Height is also same. It's a 4 cm. Two cubes of each of age 4 cm are joined into it. Find the surface area. Find the surface area. Here just ask about find the surface area of relating cube. Now look, it's just ask about find the surface area. Whenever in problem we have asked about surface area, it means we are going to find out total surface area. If in problem is mentioned there find out lateral surface area, then you have to be mentioned that you have to find out lateral surface area. But here just ask you have to find out surface area. Then we are going to find out total surface area. Now TSA, what is our TSA of cuboid is what? TSA of cuboid is given by 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. What is our length, breadth and height? Put the values of length. Length is 8, breadth is 4, length is then breadth is 4, height is again 4, height again 4, and length is 8. Now 2 times 8 4 32, 4 4 16, 8 4 32. Now what do we get? 2 times 64 plus 670, 80. 2 times 80, then we get the value of TSA of cuboid is what? 160 centimeter square. I am going to again revise you. In the problem इस प्रॉब्लम में ये given था कि हमारे पास दो क्यूब है, दोनों क्यूब्स को हमने एक साथ मिला के सटा के एक क्यूबाइड शेप बनाया, तो उस क्यूबाइड शेप के सरफेस एरिया कितनी होगी? जब हम दो क्यूब को मिलाएंगे और एक क्यूबाइड फॉर्म करेंगे, तो बेटा उस केस में हमारा क्या होता है, जो लेंथ है वो दोनों क्यूब की वो चेंज हो जाएगी। 4 4 लेंथ हमारा उस क्यूबाइड का 8 हो जाएगा। देयर इज नो चेंज इन ब्रेथ एंड हाइट ऑफ द सॉलिड फिगर देयर। Then we have length is 8, breadth is 4, height is 4. Then we have to find out use the formula. How can we get the total surface area? Total surface area of cuboid is given by 2 times LB plus BS plus HL. Put in the value of length, breadth and height, and after solving we get the total surface area of cuboid is what? It's a 160 centimeter square. Now we are move to another problem to find out the value there. In this question what we have given there, a toy is in the form of a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of common base radius 7. Here given a toy in this problem. Here is given a toy. Toy is form of 2 solid figures. One is cone mounted on a hemisphere. Means what is our shape look like? A hemisphere. We have one of the hemisphere there. Then a cone is mounted on it. Look, we have mounted a cone on it, and having the same radius r. Now look, a toy is the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of common base radius 7. Its given value of r is what? 7 centimeter. And the total height of the toy is 31. Find the total surface area of the toy and use the value of pi is 22 by 7. Now look, here it is given total height of toy, means from here to it's given at 31 centimeter. How much? 31 centimeter. इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या दिया था बेटा? इस प्रॉब्लम में दे रखा है कि हमारे पास एक टॉय है जिसमें एक कोन है जो हेमिस्फीयर पे माउंटेड है, उससे जोड़ दिया गया है, जहाँ पे उस सॉलिड फिगर जो टॉय है उसकी जो टोटल हाइट है वो 31 सेंटीमीटर है, रेडियस हमारी 7 सेंटीमीटर है. हमें इस सॉलिड फिगर की सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करनी है. देन हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस सॉलिड फिगर? टू फाइंड आउट सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस सॉलिड फिगर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस हेमिस्फीयर, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू एड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस what our cone there. To adding the surface area of hemisphere and cone we get our required result. But in the question it's given about what? It's just given about we have to find out surface area there. Then look, if it is our r equal to 7, then from here to also its radius, then it's our r equal to 7. Then what is the height of this cone? First of all, we have to find out height of this cone. This is our 7, total 31. Then height of our cone is given by 31 minus 7. Yes, we get 24 centimeter. Now we get our height of cone. We have a then to find out its surface area of toy. First of all, we have to find out our surface area of hemisphere. What is our surface area of hemisphere? It's a look. We have find out surface area. Just going to mean surface area means we are going to find out it's this curved surface area, and it's a what? It's a 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Then 2 pi is what? We have to take 22 by 7, and r is what? 7 into 7. Then what do we get? 2 into 154 means what we get? We get 308 centimeter square. This is our surface area of hemisphere. Now we are going to find out surface area of this cone. What is this cone? It's a curved surface area. Then our surface area of cone, it's a what? Pi r l. Look, we have to pi 22 by 7. R is our 7. But look, in the problem we have not given a slant height. There we have to find out this slant height. How can we find out our slant height? What is our L? L is given by h square plus r square. Then what do we get? 7 square is 49. and then 24 square is what? 5. What do we get there? 24 square. It's 25 is 625, means it's our 476. 4 4 16, 4 2 8, 4 2 8, and 2 2 4. 4 4 16. 9, then 2 4 8, then 6, 9 7. That's it's a 5 7, 576. Now 8 is this, 6 and 9. This is L. Then now what is get the value of L is what? It's our 25. The value of slant is our 25. Then 25 into 20. I hope so. It's a 550. It's our 550 centimeter square. Now what we have to find out in the problem. It's given that we have to find out the surface area of this combined figure. Here we have find out the surface area of our hemisphere, then we have find out the surface area of this cone. Now then we have to find out surface area of this toy. How can we get the surface area of this toy? Adding these two values, 550 plus 308, then our surface area of this toy is given by 8538, 858 centimeter square. This is our required. It is enough for today. Again, tomorrow we are coming with again some problems. With our the problems are related to our combined figures. Thanks to all.